Long way to Bap. There's been a lot of shit talk right here. Goddamn due time. We got the motherfucking lawnmower expert. Look at this motherfucking dog. Woo! Red top battery. Yes sir, we finna do the motherfucking to these dogs. We got Cream on the camera. We got Dicky working like a goddamn slave. Here it is, dog, the moment of truth. Tighten them up, dog. Tighten them up, dog. Here it is, here it is. Oh. We got it spinning. Oh. We blowing them out! Hey, that bad bitch! They blowing that bad bitch! Look at that bad bitch! Y'all see that bitch? I keep working on the motherfucker! God damn, what the fuck? Dry shell boot. I'm
coming back.
Hey,
Scooby, look at me. I'm throwing nothing up. Damn, what it is right here? Hey, breaking the dry shells on these bitches.
Dry shell come apart on Bap-bap. Mechanical failure.
They brought one with a belt, I broke the belt. Brought one with a dry shell, I broke the dry shell.
God damn.
Hey, I had cream for
And the Craftsman win. The Craftsman win.
Bad bitch win.
The Craftsman win.
Y'all the one fucked up. That bitch died.
That bitch started bugging, you started pulling me.
Dead.
But what would happen?
We dead.
What would happen before I started bugging? I was dragging that bitch.
That bitch thought he dragged. You ain't never moved me.
You never did move that crap.
You never did move up. Shit, what? Look what y'all started.
That dry shell, bro.
We had you.
We're going to spin it right now.
Y'all know not to fuck.
Stop that shit and